To install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio, we navigate to this URL. Scroll a little bit down and under Developer, click Download Now. That will download the executable. We will run it. That will open up the installation guide. Here you will choose the basic, accept, install, and we will fast forward. That's it, and now we will install the SQL Server Management Studio. So here you click Install SSMS, scroll a little bit down here, download SSMS, choose the free download for SQL Server Management Studio. That will download another executable. We will also open and run that. Here we will click Install. That's it. We can click Close here and we can close our browser. We will also choose to close here. And then we go to our Start menu. Search for SQL Server 2022 Configuration Manager. Click that one. Over here you will see the SQL Server and the status running. You can choose to click it and either right click and click Stop, Pause, or you can use these buttons up here. So it's running, that's great. I can close this one again. Then I go to the Start menu again and I type Management Studio. And this is the SQL Server Management Studio. I want to open it, so click here. And here we can connect to our database. You'll see the server name and the authentication. We're using Windows authentication and this server name is our workstation name. In case this is blank, we're going to find it. Go to your Start menu, type in CMD and click Enter. Now you type whoami, click Enter, and if I move it down here, you can see that this here, that is the server name. So simply just Control-C, Control-V, paste it in up here, and we'll click Connect. That's it.